Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to share a curry recipe which is full of iron and calcium. So let's start. Heat up a pan, preferably a cast iron pan, and add a tablespoon of oil. Once oil is heated up, add ginger. You can add onion and garlic as well. Saute ginger for a minute or so and add washed and chopped broccoli. I will add chopped beans and cook it for a couple of minutes on medium to high flame. Beans and broccoli are roasted nicely. Now I will add one small chopped red pepper. Cook it on medium to high flame so that veggies will have some roasted flavor. Now I will add lots of washed and chopped spinach. You can add other veggies of your choice like carrots or sweet corn. Cover it and let it cook for a few minutes. I don't want other veggies to overcook, so I am just cooking without lid. Cook until spinach becomes little soft and then we will add all the spices. Here I am adding salt, turmeric powder and red chili powder. Mix it properly and cover and cook for another 5 minutes. While the veggies are cooking, I will prepare the gravy. In a blender jar, add 2 tomatoes, few paneer cubes. I am using homemade paneer and I am adding half cup of whey water instead of plain water. Blend it nicely and keep it aside. Veggies are done, so we will now add the gravy. This gravy will balance the taste of spinach and broccoli. Check the consistency and add the water if needed. Since I will be serving with rice, so I have added half cup of water. Mix it properly and then cover and cook it for a few minutes. I don't want to overcook veggies, that's why I have chopped beans, peppers and broccoli into big chunks. Curry is almost ready. As you can see, the color is also changed now. Now lastly I will add crushed kasuri methi. You can skip this if you don't like the flavor of kasuri methi or if you don't have it. Curry is ready and it goes really well with steamed rice. This curry is full of nutrients and so easy to prepare, so I'm sure you are going to try it. Thank you for watching.